everybody. Thank you for waiting. Fanatics under wraps. Baseballs, random team number 4, guys. It's a 4-box break. Fresh case. Good luck, guys. No Houston Astros on this break, guys. Dice roll got to be ace, deuce, or higher. We're going 6 times, guys. 6. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final, guys. 6. Joe Amazing on the bottom. McCray is up top. Good luck on you guys' teams, guys. Let's see a dual inscription on one of these cases. That'd be great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th and final. The Nationals on the bottom. And McCray's Giants are up top. You know what's funny? I don't even know your Giants checklist very well, McCray. Who does the Giants got? They got Mike Yastrzemski. Anybody else? Carl and Mike Yastrzemski. That's cool. On the duels. Buster Posey. Orlando Cepeda is on there too. Interesting. Got some PC pieces from McCray there. Joe, you got the Nats, Guardians, and the Angels. Okay. Hey, we could see a Trout. I envision a Trout. I could see that happening too. Yeah, I blame this damn randomizer. Stupid randomizer. Oh, Burrow, you PC the Mets too. So does Amazing. That's awesome. Good for you. And good luck, Burrow. Thank you for the push too, brother. I appreciate it, guys. Twins, Alex. Who does Twins have? I don't remember who Minnesota had. Kepler, Pablo Lopez, Rod Carew. Okay. Maybe they have Joe Mauer, maybe? Nope. Oh, not much going for the Twins, unfortunately. Good luck, guys. I don't know why I'm printing out this list. All right, guess the last autograph for 15 in Blez Bucks, guys. Last auto for $15. Go quickly. Here we go. I'm gonna guess a rookie again. Hold on, let me look at the checklist. No, you know what? I'm gonna guess Corbin. I'll guess Corbin Carroll. That's my guess. We'll guess Corbin. Good luck. Oops. It's a Corbin. What's up, Sparks? Ooh. There's a first. Specialty ball coming. And it is gold. Somebody asked about it earlier. Solid gold. Disco. This solid gold, baby. It's a cubby. Is that Pete Crow Armstrong? I seen the CA. Is that Pete Crow? That is. I saw the CA. I couldn't see the P really. Pete Crow Armstrong to start us off. McCray and the Cubbies with the golden ball. Anybody ever watch that anime called Dandaran? It is PCA. That's pretty sick. That's pretty cool. That is pretty sick. Now, I have a question for anybody, and, Amazing, you might actually know. Is these the same, this isn't the Derby balls, but where do these gold balls come from? Let alone with the team logo. It's pretty sick. See, Carlos knew what I was talking about. Oh, it is just marketing. Oh, okay. Oh, wait. I should show the authentication stickers too, huh? In case anybody wants to scan that. Oh, it is different leather, so it's not like they just painted the... Oh, interesting. Kind of looks like they just spray painted it almost. Doesn't smell like spray paint, though. All right, McRae, we're on the board finally, McRae. I can't stand that. I can't stand the spray paint smell, though. Even after, like, you clear coat it, polish it, and everything, it always has that paint smell, and I can't stand it. I never could stand that smell. Box 2. Oh, upside down. Looks like a standard. Nope. No clue on that one, boys. No clue on that guy. Cardinals? Oh, that does look like Jordan. Yeah, that does look like Jay Walker. That does. You're right. That does look like Jordan Walker. And you guys are right. St. Louis. Max G, 23 with the Jordan Walker. Nice. That's a base. You are correct. Jay Walker. For Max G. Still hunting a duel here. I'm hunting a duel. Box 4, take your 5s, guys. Come on, I just really want to see a duel today. That would make my day if we could see a duel. Let's see a duel, guys. Come on. Another base. Oh, nice signature. Almost kind of looks like Griffey. Almost. I don't have any ideas on this one, guys. Oh, it's another Mountcastle. So that's our second Mountcastle in the second case. For the Orioles, Carlos gets the Ryan Mountcastle. I don't know why, but it did look slightly different. Oh! Smooth Brain? You wasn't modded on this channel, Smooth Brain? We were just talking about Dondaron without you. We were just talking about Dondaron without you. Carlos with the Mountcastle. I'll get you modded. Don't forget to subscribe for me, Smooth Brain. I am Shaq 38. And our last baseball. I'm not sure. Maybe Carlos is. We just had a golden ball of PCA. So it made me think about it. There we go. Last box. This has been fun though. For 25 bucks, guys. Little cheap stab here. It's been super fun. Here we go. Come on. Inscription or duel? Inscription or duel? Might be another base here. I'm not gonna lie, is that my former homie? That almost kind of looks like Chris Bryant's signature, I'm not gonna lie. Frank Thomas for the White Sox? No way. No way. Frank Thomas, the Big Hurt, number 35. It kind of almost looked like a Chris Bryant auto. Yeah, dude, he's sharp. That goes to the White Sox. That is a inscribed, I believe, right? That should be an inscription. Let me just triple check. It is. Number 16, inscribed autograph baseball of the Big Hurt, not for Gleno. No inscription, the 35? I'm pretty sure it is. No, I apologize. You are correct. You are correct. Not inscribed, just his jersey number. Yes, got it. Got it. No inscription. No inscription. So we didn't have any inscriptions on this one. I said McRae with the White Sox on the Big Hurt. All right, way to come back. Sorry, Joe, I didn't hit you there. So 3 base, 1 special. Yes. Number 5 and 6 should be flying. And that was the break, everybody. Aside from that, that was our first gold ball. At least we didn't get the black ball or the midnight ball, whatever you want to call it. Thank you, guys.